Oh, it's Sunday. We've got gale force winds today. Didn't really do much. Doing a little bit of packing today. Very breezy, very windy. White caps, as you can see. I've tucked in my solar panels. I had lost one. Wind took it way down by that tree. Actually pulled the cable out of its connector, so I had to rebuild the MC4 connector. But I've got them all up here now. Everything appears to be pulling as it should. As you can see, very breezy. Hopefully audio is coming out. I'm using the GoPro with the media mod. Yeah, with the wind muffs. Hopefully everything's coming out good. Crazy day today. Yeah, sadly doing a little packing inside. Get done what we can. Tomorrow's supposed to be 85. It was only in the 60s today with wind and rain. It's crazy how everything changes up here in a few hours. But that is the plan. Solar is working out good. I'll do a video on that probably tomorrow when it's nice. Oh, we lost the board in the back. Look at that. That flew over. That was not like that earlier when I took the clothesline down. Crazy. All right, I'm going to call it quits for right now. There we go. Little update on this very breezy day. Oh, look, we have some blueberries. Blueberries. Look at them. There's quite a few here. We're just getting ready. Blueberries. Yep. All right. Well, let's go see where Kiddo is. I think she went around and pick some blueberries. Let's go see if we can find her. Let's see what's back here. Very windy. Still Sunday. Doing a last check for blueberries. Little solar panel here. Let's go see what's going on back here. Now it's nice and quiet. Let's go see if we can find her. Oh, there she is. What you doing?
What's going on?
Came to see you, get a video. Find any? Oh, you found a lot.
Yeah, there's quite a few up here.
Okay, let's go see what you found. Wow. Look at all those delicious blueberries.
Yeah, there's a good amount.
Getting them right in the bushes, huh? I see them in there. Did you go down to the bottom or just right here?
I'm going in I haven't gone there yet. I'm kind of going in order.
Okay.
I'm not, yeah, so I started over there, up there, and now I'm coming down, and then I'll go down there.
Okay.
And then I'll go around there.
Wow. You're getting a lot. Gonna be good.
I promised Grandma there'd be a lot, and now I have to prove it. So.
Wow.
There's something.
Is there a certain technique?
Nope. Just go up and you grab them.
Just go and grab them? Okay. There you go. Danielle picking blueberries. All over the island. They're everywhere. About another week and they'll all be green. They'll all be blue.